Did you know the billionaire who called Bitcoin worthless now owns millions in crypto? Mark Cuban went from Bitcoin's biggest hater to one of its loudest supporters. Back in 2018, Cuban said Bitcoin was like baseball cards with no real value. He famously joked he'd rather have bananas because at least you can eat them. He called it a bubble and said gold was way better than any digital coin. But then 2020 happened. During the lockdowns, Cuban got bored and started studying something called DeFi and smart contracts. That's when everything changed. He realized blockchain wasn't just about making quick money, it could actually solve real problems. By 2021, Cuban did a complete flip. His basketball team, the Dallas Mavericks, started accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. He invested millions into crypto startups. He even said Bitcoin could hit $1 million someday. His public change of heart convinced many other rich investors to give crypto a chance. Today, Cuban owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and tons of other digital coins worth millions of dollars.